Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do some integration. So let's get started. So our topic is doing some integration. So first of all, I want to give you the first formula for integration, which is um, integration of x to the power n with respect to x. Um, this is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus some constant c. So this is x to the power n. So um, if you integrate x to the power n with respect to this x, then you will get x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So now I will show you some uh, example on this uh, formula. So our first example, integration x cube dx. So here, if you compare this x cube with this x to the power n, then you will get this n equal 3. So I will write this thing here instead of 3 instead of n. Okay, so here x to the power n plus 1. So n is 3. So 3 plus 1 divided by n plus 1, which is 3 plus 1, and then plus the constant of c. Okay, so this is our first example. Similarly, next next is let x to the power 7 and then dx. So if you integrate x to the power 7 with respect to x, then you will have x to the power 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1 plus c. So this is x to the power 8 divided by 8 plus c. Okay. I think I forgot to write the previous result, that was x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. This is the previous result. Now let you have two or more functions. So and you first you add all those functions, and then you want to integrate the functions. So then our first function is f of x, second function is g of x, and so on, plus a's of x. Okay, so you want to integrate the summation of all these function with respect to x. So here all you can do it that this is equal to the integration of f of x plus integration of g of x, and then up to integration of h of x with respect to dx. So it can be written as integration of f of x dx plus integration of second function gx, then dx plus dot dot, and then up to integration of h of x dx. So this is I call it um, distribution law for integration. Now I will take an example here. So if you want to integrate x square plus x cube with respect to x, this is equal to integration of this first function x square and then plus integration of x cube with respect to x. So this is your left side and this is your right side. So first I will solve this left hand side. So left hand side is integration of this is x for 2 plus 1, then 2 plus 1 plus. For x cube, it's x cube plus 1 by 3 plus 1 and constant is c. Okay, and then um, here also this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So you can find out that integration of x square plus x cube then dx is equal to this, and maybe you can write is its integration of x square dx plus integration of x cube dx. All right, but I want to show you something different here. That is, if we can add these two functions, let this is not cube, this is also x square. So now you can add up this x square and this x square and you will get 2x square. Okay, so this is 2x square then dx. Okay, so this is x cube over 3 plus this is also x cube over 3 plus c, and this is totally 2x cube by 3 plus c. And you can see this constant term comes in front of integration, and then the rest, and now 2. So x square, if you integrate, that is x cube over 3 plus c. So if this and this are alike, so yeah, this part shows that x square plus x square. So if you integrate these two functions differently and then add the result, you will get the same thing when you add the function first and then integrate. So here you you did what you did first, first integration of x square and then integration of next part, and then you add up the result. And now here you first add and then integration. Okay, now I will give you some um, formula for um, trigonometric uh, ratio. So we know from the derivative part, that is d dx of sine x, which is cos x. But now if you apply this, dx is bottom here, so dx comes here again here, cos x. So dx, this dx, when this dx comes here, so this is, and now this d is nothing but derivative. Okay, so derivative. So this derivative, when you apply this inverse, so d comes here, so d and integral are opposite things. So d comes here, so integration, and then here sine x. So this is the formula for when you integrate cos of x dx with respect to x. and you will get sine x and then plus some constant value c. Okay. Similarly, if you derivative cos x, so d dx of cos x with respect to x, you will get minus sine x. So here you have minus sine x, and then this dx comes here, and then d becomes integral sign, and here only cos x left. Okay, so this minus comes here, so minus cos x is integration of sin x then dx. So this is the formula for integration of sin x with respect to x, which is minus cos x. So now we have some problem on integration. So our first problem is integration of 2x plus 5x to the power 4 dx. So let's first we will uh, take the two functions, so integration of dx and then x plus integration of 5x to the power 4 dx. Now this 2 is constant, so 2 becomes in front of the integration, so integration of x then dx plus this 5 is constant, so 5 becomes outside of the integration. Okay, so here 2 x is x to the power first. Okay, so if you integrate this x to the power first with respect to x, you will get x to the power 1 plus 1, then divided by 1 plus 1 plus 5. Now x to the power 4, that is x to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1, and then plus c. So this 2 and this 2 cancel, so this is x square plus this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled, and then x to the power 5 plus c. So this is our final result. Okay, so now our next problem is integration of dx divided by cube root of x square. So this looks like x to the power n type. So integration of this is 1 over x square and then 1/3, because this third root becomes the power 1 by 3 and then dx. This can be written as 1 over x to the power. These 2 and 1/3 are multiplied is other, so 2 over 3 and then dx. Now integration of this is x to the power minus 2/3 and then dx. Now this is x to the power n type, so x to the power minus 2/3 plus 1 and then minus 2/3 plus 1 plus c. So this is x to the power 1 minus 2 third, that is 1 third. 1 minus 2 third, that is 1 third, then plus c. So this is 3 to the power 1 third plus c. So this is the final result.